In today's video, we will dive into triggers in Google Tag Manager. This is an important component of your GTM setup, and understanding how to create and manage triggers can take your website tracking to the next level. So first of all, what is a trigger? A trigger is a set of conditions that tell the tag when to fire. In other words, triggers are what make your tags work. There are a few different types of triggers that you can use in GTM, including page view triggers, click triggers, and form submission triggers, etc. Let's go through them in more detail. Page view triggers fire when a user visits a specific page on your website. Like if you want to track when someone lands on your home page, you can set up a page view trigger for that page. And then click triggers fire when a user clicks on a specific element on your website, like a button or a link click. So if you want to track when someone clicks on your buy now button, you can set up a click trigger for that button. And then form submission triggers, they fire when a user submits a form on your website. Like if you want to track when someone submits a contact form, you can set up a form submission trigger for that form. Now that you know what triggers are and the different types of triggers, let's walk through how to set up a trigger in GTM. Step 1 is to log into your Google Tag Manager account and click on triggers in the left-hand menu. Then step 2 is to click the new button to create a new trigger and then choose the type of trigger you want to create, like page views, click, or form submissions. Now configure the trigger by setting the appropriate conditions. For example, if you're creating a page view trigger, you'll need to specify which page the trigger should fire on. Then give your trigger a descriptive name so that you can easily identify it later, and then save your trigger and you're done. So let's look at one of the example now to understand this even better. Let's say you want to track when someone clicks on your buy now button. Here's how you would set up a click trigger for that button. Click the new button to create a new trigger. Under trigger configuration, choose just links as the trigger type. Under click URL, choose contains and then type in the URL of your buy now button. Like I entered this one here, and then give your trigger a name like buy now click, save your trigger, and you are done. Now you have a click trigger for your buy now button. You can use this trigger to track when someone clicks on the button and then fire a tag in GA4 or any other analytics platforms. In conclusion, triggers are a crucial component of Google Tag Manager. By setting up triggers, you can track specific actions on your website and then use that data to make informed decisions about your digital marketing strategy.